For multiplication of 2 bits, we are first give instruction A and enter. After that we give the origin, move 9000. Then we give the instruction move space A comma hash 0 5, enter. Then for another one we give move B comma hash 0 2. We release the shift key, then 0 2. Here give the instruction mul A B, then enter. After that we go for move dptr at the rate hash 45 hash 4500. After that move x space at the rate dptr comma a, dptr comma a, and press enter. Then go for increment dptr inc. After that we give the instruction move A comma B, move A comma B. Then the contents of B will be moved to A and press enter. Then we give the instruction move x space at the rate dptr comma A. Then go for the instruction sjmp space 9000 E, then enter and click on interrupt. For executing the program we give the instruction go space the starting address of 9000, then press enter. It is executing. After some time we again press interrupt. For checking the output we give the instruction is st space 4500, then press enter. Here we getting 5 into 2 is 10A, so higher bit is stored in, lower bit is stored in A, higher bit is stored in next register, that is B. Then enter. Here we didn't get any register. This output is correct.